हेलो डियर फ्रेंड्स, शिक्षा मंत्र में आप सबकी स्वागत है। आज कुछ डिफरेंट तरीक़ा से हम पढ़ेंगे। टुडे वी विल लर्न बट इन सम डिफरेंट मेथड्स। लेकिन सीखेंगे क्या? देखो, ऐसा होता है कि ये जो प्रोनाउंस होता है, ये जो एडजेक्टिव्स होता है, इन सभी के लिए कुछ तरीका होता है जो हम अक्सर गलत सीख जाते हैं, और इसी गलती के वजह से ग्रामर में बहुत दिक्कतें आते हैं। तो क्या होता है, इसको समझने के लिए पहले एक एग्जाम्पल लेना ज़रूरी है। तो चलो पहले एक एग्जाम्पल ले लेते हैं। माई एंड माइन। अगर मैंने ये लिख लिया एक सेंटेंस के दिस इज माई बुक, and then I would write down another sentence, this book is mine. Now here we get two words which are possessives. The first one is my, this one, and the second one is mine, this one. Now we consider both of my and mine as possessives. देखो, इसमें तो कोई कंफ्यूजन है ही नहीं कि ये दोनों पॉजेसिव है। लेकिन बात कहाँ पे आते हैं? जब तुम छोटे थे तभी तुम्हें ये सिखाया गया कि ये प्रोनाउंस है। माई, आवर, योर, हीज, हार्स, ये सारे प्रोनाउंस होते हैं। लेकिन व्हाट्स द फैक्ट? आर दे रियली प्रोनाउंस or they are something else? To learn this, we have to get into a deeper condition of the things. क्योंकि तुम ठीक से समझ लो। देखो, होता है क्या, यहाँ दिस इज माई बुक, इस पर ये जो बुक होता है ये नाउन, दिस इज अ नाउन। नाउ व्हाट्स द फंक्शन ऑफ दिस possessive my? It's actually qualifying book. So ये एक ऐसा possessive है जो कि एक noun को qualify कर रहे हैं। This is a pronoun which is qualifying a noun. So when this word is qualifying a noun, that means it gets an antecedent noun. It means it's adjective and this is not a pronoun. Yes, dear friends, that's why my is an possessive, this is an adjective and it's a possessive adjectives. But this book is mine, यहाँ पे देखो, इसके साथ कोई भी नहीं है, ये अकेला खड़ा है एक नाउन की जगह पे। तो ये होता है अपना प्रोनाउन, प्योर प्रोनाउन। तो ये हो गया पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन। बस, द डिफरेंस इज वेरी सिंपल। यू कांट confused things here. Just remember, when it comes with a noun, it's a possessive adjective, but when it comes alone, this is possessive pronouns. So ये जो चिल्ड्रन का जो बुक्स होता है ना, ग्रामर बुक्स, छोटे छोटे बच्चों के लिए, वहाँ पे ये सारे प्रोनाउंस लिखा जाता है। पर याद रखो कि ये प्रोनाउंस है नहीं। माई, योर, आवर, दीज आर ऑल बट एडजेक्टिव्स। सो व्हाट आर देयर प्रोनाउन फॉर्म्स? पॉजेसिव प्रोनाउन इज माइन, पॉजेसिव प्रोनाउंस इज आवर्स, योर्स, हर्स, दो हीज, only for his, it has the same form. Like if you write down, this is his book, and here you may produce the sentence, this book is his. The reason is very simple. You can't add another s after his. You can't say his. It's not possible. So this book is his. So his, इसके लिए तुम्हें दो अलग अलग फॉर्म नहीं मिलेगा और सारे के सारे तुम्हें दो फॉर्म मिल जाएगा. Now the problem is it only confined with pronouns and adjectives for possessives, or it is there for other parts of speeches as well? If you consider this, what we'll get? You will get here in the first sentence, this comes as the subject and it's alone. Nobody is there with this. But when it comes to here, the next sentence, here we'll get book, that's the noun, and there comes this as its antecedent. So here you can't say that both this are the same. They aren't the same. There's difference. The same point will be applicable to this also. You may apply them here too. So what comes for this here? This is demonstrative. You know this, it is demonstrative. Yes, dear friends, we call it demonstrative. And the same thing happens here as well. For the first, this is demonstrative pronoun. Why? Because it has come alone. It doesn't have a noun with this. But for the second, this is demonstrative adjectives. So what's the theory to find out whether this is a pronoun or an adjective? We are making things simple now. It's very simple. You'll very easily understand whether this is a pronoun or an adjective. But how? The theory is very simple. When it doesn't come with any antecedent noun, this is obviously pronoun. Like this here in the first sentence. Here you'll get two different forms: my, mine, our, ours, your, yours, her, hers, their, theirs. But you won't get this for demonstrative. This, that, these, those. They don't get it. So how will you detect it? If it comes alone, it's pronoun. But when it comes with antecedent noun, it's obviously adjective. This is the theory. You have to apply this everywhere. The same thing happens for relative as well. You'll understand whether this is pronoun or adjective. It will come for interrogative as well. You'll understand whether this is interrogative pronoun or interrogative adjective by following whether it comes with a noun or it comes alone. If it comes alone, obviously this is pronoun, and if it comes with an antecedent noun, this is obviously what? Adjective. So ऐसे ही होता है. कुछ वेरी बेसिक थिंग्स रह जाते हैं हमारे ये प्रोसेस ऑफ लर्निंग में. तुम सीख रहे हो, पर कुछ बेसिक चीज़ें जो हमें जानना होता है, जो हमें समझना पड़ता है, वो हम मिस कर देते हैं. और इसीलिए अगले जो सीखने का जो स्कोप, जो स्पेस होता है, सो इसका मतलब व्हेन वी try to learn some advanced things, we find it difficult. Difficult for what? Difficult because we have problem in basic things. So when you solve the problems in basic things, you find the advanced things easier. So that's all from Shiksha Mantra today. If you have find it of some worth, and if you have really learned something, obviously stay with us. We are returning very soon with many such discussion which will help your process of learning. And we are returning soon. Until then, bye bye. Happy learning.